From this moment and on, you can start supporting yourself in a new way. Professional life, as you've known it, as we've known it since childhood, is old news. Here to share with you 5 huge steps that you need to take in order to prepare, launch and scale your business online that can serve your customers around the clock and make you money 24/7. 5 steps, 1 tool tip, 1 platform tip, and 1 huge business hack at the end. Step number 1. So these are the things that you need in order to get started. A laptop, a mobile phone, step-by-step instructions, 10 hours a week, and possibly a budget. The laptop that you choose should have good capacity and speed, and you should also go for cloud storage because there are going to be a lot of things that you want to save that you create in your business. And the phone that you choose should have at least 4K video format so you can make good videos, because we're getting into that later. And then also set yourself up with step-by-step instructions on, for example, how to set up a website, how to set up social accounts, how to set up funnels online so you can get leads into your business. And we've got all that support is down at the link below for the program that I mentioned. Another optional thing that you can set yourself up with is a budget for placing ads on, for example, Facebook and YouTube. It's not necessary that you go down the path, and you don't have to make up your mind about that right now. But if you choose to go for paid ads, you do need a budget of at least $10 a day in order to market your business. The other option is to go for organic growth, which takes a lot longer. So having a budget for ads could speed up your path to success. But like I said, it's not necessary. Find your passion, purpose, and proficiency. That will eventually become your niche. Whether it's dancing, cooking, ice skating, or video editing, it doesn't matter. You can for sure build a business, a profitable business in any field you want. Here comes a tool tip. A free tool that you can use to research your niche if you want to is trends.google.com. And in this tool you can research the demand for the topic or the area that you're looking for in different parts of the world and with different kinds of keywords. So that's a good tip if you want to research your niche. And at this point, the step-by-step guide in our program could come in handy, so click the link below to get it. Step number 3 is figuring out who your ideal client is. What problems are you going to solve for your clients? What solutions, what desired outcomes are you going to be providing? So who is that target person that you want to support, that you want to serve? You need to figure this out and be extremely clear on who it is, what their problem is, and what their desired outcome is that you can help them get. Finding your ideal client and your target audience is a big work to do, but it is key. And all that work is supported in the program down below. After defining your ideal client, you can start to serve your audience with relevant content. That content will lead them into trusting you so that they eventually will become your paying customers. And in order to serve with content, you need a platform strategy. Step number 4, set up your website and your social accounts. Here's your platform tip. Go for YouTube. So go for YouTube, even though your ideal client is maybe mostly on Facebook, because on YouTube you can build a library of content and then you can market that content on Facebook to reach your audience. And you could also make video ads that you then place in front of people on both YouTube and Facebook. I do advise you to go for a search-based platform like YouTube, because then you can build up your own library of videos and your clients could be served with that content for years to come. And also your videos could be placed in front of new potential clients every day of the year for years to come as well. I now have several videos that are several years old that are still shown to people and getting me new views, hundreds of them every month. And like I said, through YouTube you can build your email list. So you're not only building your library of content, but you're also attracting people to click your links and opt in for your email list. Most other platforms are push platforms where you push information out to people, but on a search-based platform, they're in there looking for content that you can provide. And that makes those leads that come in from YouTube much warmer leads than otherwise on other platforms. So they have either searched for your content or been presented with your thumbnails and titles in their browse windows or suggested videos, because YouTube thinks that they might enjoy your video. Step number 5 is creating your marketing message so that you know that you are targeting your ideal client, targeting their pain points with the perfect message, the perfect solution at the perfect time. Instructions in the program down below. Here comes the major business hack. Set yourself up as soon as possible with the tech and the software to create an email list. This is the only list of customers that you truly own. Any audience on YouTube, Facebook, etc. that is yours is not truly yours. They're owned by those platforms and you're in the hands of those algorithms to reach your audience there. So create an email list with people that have opted in, curious about your services, that you can market directly to should you want to. And you can send them business mails or suggestions, tips and tricks whenever you want. But like I said, you do need tech and software to create that email list. And we'll help you do that in the program down below. So to save yourself time and trouble, opt in and I'll see you there.